Pretty fancy wrapping. Nice tags. Nice decorative cotton twine there. Full of instructions and informational material. This is really a well done, well packaged product. It's pretty impressive. I'm most excited about the crown board that goes on the top because the insulation value of the crown board is so high that these 2-inch pieces of foam can't even touch that insulation value. And I'll put the value of the crown board in the bottom of the video here, as well as some links to this product that you can order for yourself. And if you are a member of the Sustainable Beekeepers Guild, shameless plug, you can log into the guild account and go to the membership tab, and you can get a link for a rebate discount back from a Hive Hugger system. That's if you're a SBGMI member. So the setup that I have here is for a double deep, and 3 medium 8-frame boxes stacked are going to equate to approximately a double deep, maybe a little bit more. So we're going to have a little bit of play on the bottom, but that's okay. We're looking to insulate the entire surface as much as possible. These side pieces come with these handy dandy guards for the straps to keep the straps from bunching up on the foam, which is really nice. Very well thought out. Roll of tie-back tape and the strap itself. Now I'm not going to use the tie-back tape because I use the Reflectix on the top. I use the Reflectix on the top underneath the foam anyway, so I'm going to leave that underneath the crown board. Now let's see if I can install this by myself without looking like a clown. Pretty snazzy, goes together just like a jigsaw puzzle. How about that? Now it doesn't matter what side you put toward the interior or the exterior. The foam itself is what insulates, and both surfaces are reflective. I'd say the only shortcoming for this is that pulling it tight right here was kind of tricky to get it nice and snug. A little bit of gaps, but that can be from my boxes up there and just everything being off on that system. So I'll pull that foam board right here off and replace the crown board, and that'll be the hive hugger system right there. Hive hugger system. For some reason it's kind of bowing a little bit. It's a little off right there, but I think it's because the boxes are crooked. Oh, that's not going to stay in there. Put the hive tag back down on the hive tag down on the bottom of the, what is that thing called again? Bottom board? I don't like that gap up there, but that's no big deal. Look at the comparison of the two. It's almost triple the R value on this board here than it is the 2-inch foam board.
Really? Are both sides foiled?
Yeah. She fancy. I like it. And the rest of them will go on just as easy.